This is the Genesis GV80. Parking Distance Warning, PDW. If equipped, the Genesis GV80 may be available with forward and reverse parking distance warning systems. These systems utilize front and rear ultrasonic sensors to help warn the driver if an obstacle is detected when the vehicle is moving forward or in reverse at low speeds. When this system detects an oncoming object, a warning alert will sound, and alerts will appear on the cluster and infotainment display. The warning alert will beep more rapidly as the vehicle gets closer to the object, and the indicator color will change on the display from green to yellow and finally to red. The forward and reverse parking distance warning systems can be turned off or on by pressing the parking safety button on the center console. This button will light up when the system is on and will show no light when the system is off. Note that even if turned off, the system will automatically reactivate if you shift the vehicle into reverse or turn the vehicle off and then back on. To adjust the volume of the warning alert, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Methods. Here you can use the adjustment slider or the plus and minus icons to adjust the warning alert volume. To have parking distance warning automatically activate when driving at low speeds, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Parking Safety, and then select Parking Distance Warning Auto On. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.